Are you hungry? Today we are going to KPOT, Korean BBQ. So we're gonna break our diet and then off we go!
Hello everyone, welcome back to our travel video, Off We Go. In today's video, we want to share our wedding anniversary trip to KPOT Korean BBQ. It was so good. KPOT is a unique, hands-on, all-you-can-eat dining experience that merges traditional Asian hot pot with Korean barbecue flavors. The restaurant has a modern design, and you can find a KPOT in almost every state in the U.S. Korean barbecue is a social and interactive dining experience where friends and family gather around the table to cook and share food together. At KPOT, you can choose the Korean barbecue or hot pot or do both. All you can eat menus with fresh meats, seafood, vegetables, tofu, and many others. You can choose your favorite ingredients. We really enjoyed the experience. The history of Korean barbecue dates back centuries and is deeply rooted in Korean culinary traditions. The tradition of grilling meats over open flames has been a part of Korean cuisine for thousands of years. With the invention of the tabletop grill, it has become a popular dining experience where guests grill a variety of meats and veggies at the table. It's a social, interactive meal known for its bold flavors, communal atmosphere, and the interactive aspect of cooking the food yourself at the table. So guys, that's all from us today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one. Off we go! Bye for now.